All right, in this video, I'm going to discuss again the K of each of these problem. Let's start with number one. A group of college students decided to invest the money they earned from the fundraising project. After 6 months from today, they want to withdraw from this fund 10,000 pesos quarterly for 1 year to fund for community service. How much is the present total deposit if the interest rate is 4% compounded or converted quarterly? All right. So, based on the problem, after 6 months from today, okay, meaning to say, unum siya ka bulan. Alright, but since quarterly man, so that is 3 months, every 3 months, i-divide na to ang 6 months by 3. Okay? Okay, in each quarter, 3 months man. So, 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Therefore, our K, number of artificial payments or number of periods nga dili ka magbayad is equal to 2. Okay? So I hope that is clear. Ato isulat diri balik. So we have K. K is equal to 6. 6 months man daw kuno. Pero kay quarterly, so divide by 3. Okay? Kay in every quarter, there are 3 months man. So that is equal to 2. Therefore, our K is equal to 2. Number 2. A company offers a deferred payment option for the purchase of any furniture. Gladys plans to buy a dining table set with a monthly payment of 4,000 for 2 years. The payment will start at the end of 3 months. Okay, how much is the cash price of the dining set if the company will give 10% compounded monthly? Now, in this problem class, ingon siya will start at the end of 3 months. So, okay, I will start at the end of 3 months man. So, meaning to say, um, magbayad na kapag abot sa katulo ka bulan. So, our K there is 3 minus 1. Mag-minus 1 ta tungod kay magbayad naman kapag abot sa tulo ka bulan. So, K is equal to 3 minus 1. So, pila ang period of deferral? That is equal to 2. And then you solve for the problem class in question number if some of you are done in number 1, then you proceed to number 2. Thank you.